Dee. Oh, hey, I'm here too. I'm ready for our play date. Great, let's go inside. Oh, I wanted to press the doorbell. Who's at the door? Hello? Hey guys, this is my babysitter. My parents are busy, so they got us a babysitter so that we can still have our play date. That's great. Come on in, you guys. All right, girls, what do you want to do? We know exactly what we want to do. We want to work on our Father's Day crafts. Yeah, we've already made our dad's cards. Yeah, cards are super easy. You just fold a piece of paper and you write stuff on it, like Happy Father's Day. But we want to make something even more special. Oh, okay. Well, I have an idea. You know what all parents love? When you make it yourself. Let's make a DIY little project. That's a great idea. Let's get started. Let's move some things out of the way so we have some more room. There we go. Let's just move all out of the way. I'll get the table. All right, girls. The things we will need are right over here on the screen. You see, we're going to need markers or crayons, whichever one you have. We're going to need paper, scissors, and an empty water bottle. So you can just reuse an empty water bottle, which is recycling, which is great for the environment. First off, we're going to take our water bottle, and you're going to want to get some help with an adult, and you're going to want to cut your water bottle. So you gotta be really careful. And I'm just gonna cut it all around. Now you can use either side of the water bottle for your project. So next we are going to cut any imperfections off of the water bottle. And we're going to do this on both sides. I'm not sure if you can tell, but sometimes there's little parts that kind of get a bit sharp and stuff. So you're just gonna take those off, and it's very easy. So now we can move on to the next step. One thing about using this side is that the little tack thing is probably around it, so there might be a sticky spot, but that can also be kind of cool. It just depends what you're looking for. Next, we're going to be taking a big piece of paper to use our markers. You can use any kind of markers you want. Crazy art. I just have some Crayolas, so I'm just gonna use those, but it really doesn't matter. Just dump them all out, and you can use any color depending on what you want your face to look like. So we are drawing the face, and it looks like this marker wasn't closed. There we go. So let's go and do that. These little things can be like anything you want, but this is where you get creative. You can make it to look kind of like your dad or like a monster or whatever you want, but this is where you get creative. So I'm just going to draw mine pretty basic. Yeah, as you can see, these do not look good. But it's okay because you made it yourself and you put hard work into it, so it doesn't have to look great. Your dad will love it however it looks. Maybe this one will be a lion, because you can also make them like animals. So now I'm just going to color it in all yellow so it really looks like a lion. As you can see, I kind of got on the black a little, so it got the yellow a bit darker right there, but it's okay. We're just going to keep moving on. Okay, there we go. As you can see, it is definitely not perfect, but I like it and I think it's cute. Okay, in a minute we're gonna cut that out, but over on a different part of your paper, you're gonna wanna draw hands. So the hands are probably gonna look about the same. And now, even though these are very imperfect, I'm going ahead and cut them all out. Starting with this one, and it's okay if you get a little bit of white. Just make sure not to try to cut your face. Since mine's a lion and lions go like this. Instead of putting it like on top, like a person, I'm going to put it right here on the top like this, and I'm gonna have like little arms. And I'm not sure if I'm going to have feet yet. It just depends how it all works for this lion specifically, but if you're going to have a person, I recommend doing it like this. Time for the tape. I'm gonna go and tape one side, and then for this side, I'm gonna put some tape on the bottle and then on it, and I'm gonna fold it over. So that is definitely secure. It's not going anywhere. And then another thing you can do is like cut out a little slit where the mouth is. And if I would have made my mouth bigger, that would have worked a lot better. But I might just do it anyway. Let's see how it works. I think I probably should have done this before I put it on. But that's okay. I'll work more on it. Okay, I did end up getting it to work. So now you can obviously see that things can go through it. And I'm not sure that's super secure or very good idea for this one specifically, because I had to make the mouth like huge, and now I have to take the tape off, so now it's going to need more tape. Okay, I'm gonna try to put the tape like exactly where the other one was. There we are. I'm not exactly sure if that was a good idea or not, but there we are. And then I'm trying to decide if we should add the paws or not. I think what I might do is I might like put a strip over of yellow to make it look like a lion. So I think that's what we're going to do. All right, cut out a strip as long as the width of your bottle, and then use a yellow crayon or marker to color it all in. Now just pull it around and tape it. As you can see, we have some extra, so maybe if you want to make another one or something, just save it, because it's hard work coloring a big sheet of it. Use some tape to tape it down. And in some places it might be like sticking out, and that's okay, but if you want, you can tape it down there too. I think I will, because that doesn't look too good on this lion. So there we go, and I think things can still stick through there. Tape it down a bit better, but I think it's about good. Since my paws earlier were so bad, I'm just going to redo them real quick so that they look a bit better. Now we're just going to tape it down on the side. Ah! There we go. And we'll use that, stick it back up, so that then if you turn, you can see like a little hand on the side. And I just think that's cute. Like, it's just like a little addition. You don't have to have that. But I just think that that's super cute. Try to get it kind of even to where we put the other one. And there we go. Obviously, I put this one on backwards and I put this one on a different way. So I'm just gonna color it in and it all looked fine. So there you have it. Here's our cute little DIY lion. And you can like store stuff in there and you can see it from the other end. Or you can just put like a bunch of confetti and stuff in there and you can shake it. So I think for this one, since we cut the slit, I think that this one will just be something that you put in. And there we go. To see this video, click the link below, which is the blue letters in the description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Bye!